Welcome back to the Retro Tech Repair Shop. Today I have a Playskool Play Along Barney Dinosaur from 1998. It's a talking soft toy interactive. It's not working. The seller says has some battery damage. So let's see if we can make it roar again. Alright, let's have a look at you. And there's your controller. Seems to be wired up, and there's some cables going off down to the paws. Seems to be some kind of push buttons in there. Doesn't appear to be anything on the feet. Seems to be some kind of button on the stomach. Anything else? Ooh. No, right, let's open this up, see what's inside. Right, obviously we can see we've got lots of battery corrosion there. Oh, and that one is just fallen off completely. So we're going to replace that battery contact, or maybe all the battery contacts. Okay, let's open it up and connect it to a power supply. Right, some kind of connector here. I'll take that off. So we've got a speaker, a couple of battery connections, and a board here which must have some kind of chip underneath it. We've got some controls on the back. It says demo, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. Okay. Let's release this board, see what's underneath it. It couldn't really be a lot more simpler than this. It's got a multi-position switch. Underneath here is the chip that will do the program functions, the voice, etc. I'd imagine. And we have another chip on a board here, another proprietary chip there. Again, all sealed up so you can't see what's inside it. And then we just have a couple of capacitors, ceramic, electrolytic, a few resistors, and that's it. The speaker connects through these tracks and goes to this chip under here, which you can't see what it is, so it must be a power amplifier stage within that, and probably the voice recordings could be held on that one or that chip. I'm not sure which one it is. And that's enough to drive that speaker, which is 0.25 of a watt, 32 ohms. Okay, what if that is 32 ohms on that speaker? Let's just check that. .1 ohms. Okay, that's connected there. So that's the resistance. And it's saying the impedance of the speaker is 32 ohms. Alright, let's connect some power to you and connect you back up to here and see what happens.
Hello again to all my friends. It's fun saying nursery rhymes, ABCs, numbers, and colors together. We'll play some guessing games and have fun using our imaginations. And we'll sing some of my favorite songs. Squeeze my hand and we can play.
Nuclear sturgeon.
I'm a duck. I go with it, and I hop everywhere I go. Who am I?
Michael Gove?
I'm a frog.
Ah.
I go, and I like to chew the green grass. Who am I?
Theresa May?
I'm a cow.
Ah, okay.
I'm purple, and I...
That's enough of that. So, it appears to be working okay. So I'm going to clean away the battery contamination out of here, replace the contacts and box it all up. Nice simple one. Contacts on this side are all okay, so I'm just going to clean this up and replace these ones down here. I'll just give this board a bit of a clean off while I'm in here. This was the only problem with it. Then the repair was very simple. I'll see how much in total this will end up costing me. It was £1.99 for the bid, £3.35 postage and packaging, and I spent less than 50p on contacts. So for less than £6, I'm going to end up with a 1998 vintage Barney Dinosaur.
Hello again to all my friends. It's fun singing nursery rhymes. Here's a rooster. This is so fun. Let's make...
I press his tummy to turn him on.
All my friends. We're a happy family with a great big hug. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Verily, what color is the sky? The sky is blue. It's so pretty. What color is an orange? An orange is orange. What color is the grass? If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yeah, that was really fun. Squeeze my hand to play some more.